Hey guys, this is Zombie Joe Knives, and today I'm going to be making throwing knives from 1/4 inch 5160 high carbon steel. These knives will be designed specifically for no spin knife throwing.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you read your mind? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
The front edge and spine are rounded to ensure the knife slides out of your hand as easily as possible.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you read your mind? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
Now right now I suck at knife throwing, so I lost one of the knives immediately on the first throw. You can see it right there. Hopefully in a future video I'll be better and I'll make a throwing montage for you guys. Anyway, here's a slow-mo of the one decent no-spin throw I had. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.